The coordinates of the vertices of a triangle are A11, B55 and C25. Find the coordinates of the midpoint D of AB. What is the length of CD? What are the coordinates of the point that divides the segment CD in the ratio 2:1? For the first question, find the coordinates of the midpoint of AB. We have the segment AB with endpoints A11 and B55. We have to find out the midpoint, the coordinates of the midpoint which divides this segment in the ratio 1:1. For that, let us think of the difference of x coordinates and difference of y coordinates of this point A and B. That means here 5 minus 1, that is 4, is the difference of x coordinates, and this is the difference of y coordinates, that is 5 minus 1. And these differences has to be divided into two equal parts, and one part, that is this distance, has to be added with the x coordinate of this point to get the x coordinate of this midpoint. That means here x coordinate of this point is equal to this x coordinate, that is 1 plus 1 by 2 part of this x difference, that is 1 by 2 of 5 minus 1, that is 1 plus 5 minus 1 is 4. 4 by 2 is equal to 2. Therefore, x is equal to 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. Similar, y is equal to, that is the y coordinate of this midpoint is obtained by adding this. This is the 1 by 2 part of the y difference. Y difference is 5 minus 1. 5 minus 1 has to be divided into two equal parts. Then one part, that is 1 by 2 of 5 minus 1, has to be added with the y coordinate of this point A to get the y coordinate of this point. Therefore, y is equal to 1 plus 5 minus 1 is 4. 4 by 2 is 2, that is equal to 3. Therefore, the coordinates of this point D are 3, 3. The second question is, what is the length of CD? CD, the length is the length distance or distance between 2, 5 and 3, 3. The distance is obtained by the formula CD is equal to root of x2 minus x1 whole squared plus y2 minus y1 whole squared. Here one point has to be considered as the second point, and this is the first point. Therefore, this is x1, this is y1. No, this is x2, y2, this is x1, y1. So, x2, that is 3 minus 2 whole squared plus this 3 minus 5 whole squared, that's equal to 3 minus 2 is equal to 1 squared plus 3 minus 5 whole squared is equal to negative 2 whole squared. Therefore, CD is equal to 1 root of 1 plus 4, that's equal to root of 5. Last question is to find out the coordinates of the point that divides CD in the ratio 2:1. Here, the difference of x coordinates, that is 3 minus 2, this distance has to be divided into three equal parts, and this is corresponding to the 2 part, and this is the last single part. Therefore, this is 1, this is 2. Therefore, here, in order to find out the x coordinate of this point, we have to add the 2 by 3rd part of this x difference. We have to divide this into three equal parts, and 2 parts has to be given to this x coordinate. Therefore, 2 plus 2 by 3 part of the x difference, that is 3 minus 2, that is equal to 2 plus 2 by 3 into 1, that is equal to 8 by 3. Similarly, y is equal to, this y coordinate is obtained by adding 2 by 3 part of the y difference, that is the difference between the y coordinates of these 2 points is 3 minus 5, that is negative 2. Negative 2 has to be divided into three equal parts, and one part, 2 parts has to be given to this y coordinate, that is 5 plus 2 by 3 part of negative 2. That is 5 plus negative 4 by 3, that is equal to 11 by 3. Therefore, the coordinates of this point P are 8 by 3, 11 by 3.